Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of what many consider the best microfiber body towels on the market. The JML Microfiber Bath Towel Sets. Whether you're into fitness, yoga, swimming, or just looking for something super absorbent and fast drying, these towels might just be your new favorite. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about what makes these towels stand out. They're made from 100% microfiber, measuring 27 inches by 55 inches each, which gives you a lot of coverage and a super soft touch. They're designed to absorb over 7 times their weight in water, which means they dry you off quickly and are perfect for daily use. The microfiber material ensures these towels are not only super absorbent but also dry incredibly fast. Perfect for those hectic mornings or after a workout session. They're versatile too. Use them as bath towels, fitness towels, yoga towels, or even as pet bath towels. They're designed to handle it all. Maintenance is a breeze with these towels. You can machine wash them and tumble dry on medium heat. Just a tip, adding a little fabric softener can help maintain their softness over time. Now, how do these stack up against traditional cotton towels? Microfiber towels are known for their lightweight feel and their ability to dry quicker than cotton, making them a great choice for people on the go. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for high-quality microfiber towels that excel in absorbency, quick drying, and versatility, the JML Microfiber Bath Towel Sets are definitely worth considering. They're a favorite among many for good reason. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've tried these towels or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.